How to fix CapCut not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, launch your Play Store application and then search for CapCut. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the CapCut application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the CapCut application over here. Then tap on App Info. Now as you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on Clear Data and then tap on Clear Cache and tap on OK. Next, if you want to delete all data, tap on Clear All Data again and delete all data and tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and then make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here so that you do not have any issues while using the application. Now you can just relaunch the application and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.